Alright, so I was actually just cleaning my room and I also saw some of my old notes back when I was in my freshman year, and one thing that I really wanted to do is to actually start selling my notes for a bit of money for every semester. So there is this website, it's called StudyPool, and it is a site where you can basically sell your notes, practice quizzes, and old homeworks, and you can earn money up to $10 per each document or paper sold. And so as a student who have a lot of materials, I think that this is the best way to get rid of it, but at the same time make a bit of money on the side. And what's great about StudyPool is that you can also upload the documents on any language or in any subject. So if you're not taking up an English related subject and you have papers that is in other language, that is definitely not a problem. And if you are also like me who do a lot of digital note taking, that is definitely not a problem because they accept both handwritten notes and also digitally written notes. So, and I'm pretty sure you also have some old notes or documents just sitting on your home or on your computer, and I think that it's the best time to give them another home and have a little bit of side hustle on the side. And if you want to get started, you can go to studypool.com. It's currently Monday and I have to plan some stuff for today. Hi everyone, good evening. It's currently around 8 p.m. and I have one deadline tonight and I have 3 quizzes for tomorrow, and I'm just now studying the subject for the first quiz. So, yeah, the night is going to be a long night, so yeah, I'm learning data analytics at the moment. Hi guys, good afternoon. It is currently around 2 p.m. and it's a Sunday. Earlier this morning I did a lot of work and then I had to do a lot of scheduling since it's going to be a very busy week, since it is going to be our prelims week in starting Wednesday. So I'll be having multiple exams throughout that week, and most of it is going to be for my majors. So it's a very high stake exam, and I definitely need to make up for it because I did not do very well in terms of my quizzes. 누구 사랑 먹고 그리 이쁘게 걷니 맘이 오려
lovey-dovey things 너의